What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to show you guys my Durag collection. A lot of you guys been asking me in the comments. Yes, I read your comments, and you guys sometimes comment unnecessary stuff. But to the ones that do comment positivity, I really appreciate you, and you are the reason why I keep going. I've been seeing a lot of comments saying, yo, show us your Durag collection, your brush collection. I'm gonna start off by doing my Durag collection, and I do hope you guys enjoy the video. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright you guys, so this is my Durag bag right here. Bunch of Durag in here, old, new, ones that I don't use anymore. And I'm just going to, alright, these are my Durags. Y'all see them? Alright, so we're gonna try to go over them one by one and just, wow, that's a lot. Unfortunately, my camera had died, so I transferred over to my phone, and I could see you guys, well, I could see myself through the watch. All right, so that's, I know I'm recording right now. I don't want to make this video 25 minutes long, so I'm just gonna show you guys the Durags and just, you know, give y'all a little brief memory I had with this Durag, with these Durags, and just, you know, going as fast as I can. So this is a black Durag. This is original Durag. I think this was one of my first Durags. All right, this is a regular silk Durag, black. First Durag I ever had. I kept educating myself on Durags and different types of Durags, and that's when I got into more Durags. We got our 2/6 King Wavy Velvet Durag. I got a lot of these, but I don't wear velvet Durags like that because it really doesn't help my waves in any way, shape, or form. So I just choose not to wear them. But if you guys want a 2/6 King Wavy Durag, I have those linked in my description. Velvets, designers, any type of Durags. All these Durags are just tangled up. This right here is a so many, wait, no it's not, no it's not. This is just a regular silk Durag, but it's pink. I don't know if you guys used to watch me like last year or when I first started my YouTube channel. I used to use this a lot in my washing styles, but I don't use it anymore. And over here is my 2/6 King Wavy washing style Durag. These got little big holes in them because when you're washing your hair, you want the hole to be big so that the water could go through it and rinse out the shampoo or the conditioner that you're taking out of your hair. So right here is another 2/6 King Wavy Velvet Durag, olive green. You guys want these, link in my description. Use my promo code JUICE15, you get 15% off any 2/6 King Wavy products, guys. And over here, this is a so many wave Durag. I used to like these Durags because, you know, it was trending. We have one of the OG Durags. I had this a while ago. If you guys are OG, for my OG subscribers, this I cut this part because I wanted to use it for my crown for a video. All right, so if you guys remember this, I don't know, maybe drop it in the comments. So this is a regular silk Durag as well. And we have some more velvets by 2/6 King Wavy. This is the Maroon John, feel me, boom. Y'all want that, go cop that, 2/6KingWavyMerch.com. Another velvet. Another velvet. I try to get as many velvets as I could so I could, you know, match. Like whatever I'm wearing, I get the color to match and everything. I keep looking at my watch because I gotta make sure that I'm recording. All right, y'all. I don't want to be talking because I can't really see. Like y'all facing backwards, so I can't see myself. So I have to look at the. Basically, I get the best quality when I'm using the back of the camera. Right here is another 2/6 King Wavy Durag. Of course, I'm an ambassador for 2/6 King Wavy, so of course this is Durags I have to have. You feel me? Gotta represent. Another 2/6 King Wavy Durag. Like I said before, I try to get one of every color. Boom. Velvet Durag. All my Durags are all tied up. Like I just be taking it off without untying it, and I wash them while they tied up so they get like all tangled up and jump. So right here is another velvet, sky blue. Another velvet red by 2/6 King Wavy. So many wave Durag. I bought these a long time ago before I even started YouTube. All right, so another one. And like I said, like the strings, like these right here, they're so freaking skinny. I don't like them. All right, I'm not using these no more. So many waves are out. You see how the string is? Like the string is not, like it's not good. All right, it doesn't even feel like, the quality just don't feel right. All right, another so many waves Durag. I just have them just to have them. I don't feel good throwing my Durags away. This was a Durag by Clutcher the Barber. My barber is when he first drops his Durag line, his merches, his products. he gave me one for free. So, you know, I decided to wear it. This was his first do-rag right here. Another one, 2/6 King Wavy. Another 2/6 King Wavy do-rag right here. So this is what we have so far. That's all the do-rags I have so far, okay? And this is how much we have left, all right? It's not that much. So if y'all thought I had like 200 to 1,000 do-rags, y'all was wrong, all right? We got the designer do-rags by 2/6. You see, like every time I wash my do-rags, bro, like it just gets tangled up. I don't hand wash my do-rags. I just throw them in the washer. Boom, right? This the OVO by 2/6 King Wavy. You guys want y'all designer do-rags by 2/6. Link is in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. There we go. Gotta make sure I'm recording, man. Y'all gonna see me. Keep looking down. Another velvet. This is a gold velvet by 2/6 King Wavy. Boom. Gold do-rag, one of my first do-rags. This is the OG right here, one of the OGs. I used to do my washing styles with these. Designer by 2/6 King Wavy. Boom. Another designer, Givenchy, right here. Givenchy, however you pronounce it. Boom. This is Clutcher's do-rag. All right, one of the first do-rags he came out with. 2/6 King Wavy. Boom. We're almost done, yo. We're almost done. We're gonna do a brush collection as well, but that's gonna be for a separate video. I'm not gonna do that in this video. 2/6 King Wavy. Boom. 2/6. Boom. Y'all see him? This is an OG. Started with these do-rags before I started buying designers and 2/6 King Wavy do-rags right here. Boom. And of course, this is a wave cap. I have a lot more wave caps, but I just didn't open them yet. You know, they're in my drawer right there. And I think I have like 12 wave caps, and that's it. What if I just try to put all of them on? And the wave cap goes up here. So this is my do-rag collection, guys. That's how many do-rags I have. All right. It's a little heavy. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, oh snap. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment if you're new to my channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.